Hello, good morning everyone. Students, once again I welcome you all to this bridge course class for PUC first year students. In this video, I am going to discuss some important points related to the topic hydrocarbons. Students, in your previous classes, means SLC classes, you know what are hydrocarbons and what are the types of hydrocarbons, and with detailed classification. Now just recall the points what you know about hydrocarbons. Right, first question, what are hydrocarbons? Students, the name itself shows what are hydrocarbons. Yes, here hydrocarbons. Yes, it is composition of two separate words. One, it contains hydrogen and another one carbon. So you can easily define these are the compounds or substance which contain hydrogen and carbon, or these are hydrogen and carbon containing compounds. Hydrocarbons are the hydrogen and carbon containing compounds. As the study of hydrocarbons also appears in your organic chemistry. Yes, study of hydrocarbons also appear in organic chemistry. Yes, students, now it's clear what are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the compounds which containing hydrogen, carbon mainly. Now another point, simply the classification of these hydrocarbons. Students, hydrocarbons are mainly appeared in two types. One is aliphatic hydrocarbons and another one aromatic hydrocarbons. What are these aliphatic hydrocarbons? Remember, aliphatic hydrocarbons, here aliphatic means it contains open chain of carbon atom. As these are the hydrocarbons which containing open chain of carbon atom. As they contain open chain of carbon atom. Here the arrangement of carbon atom is in a open chain. And aromatic hydrocarbons. These are the hydrocarbons which containing aromatic characters. Usually aroma means sweet smell. Right? Yes. Aromatic hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons which containing aromatic characters. Yes. Next, these aliphatic hydrocarbons are again classified into three types. As these types are very important. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are mainly appears in three types. First one is alkanes, and second one is alkenes, and third one it is alkynes. I think you know well about alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. What is the general formula, particular group, etc. Yes, aliphatic hydrocarbons are again classified into three types. One is alkanes, alkenes as well as alkynes. Yes, what are alkanes? What are alkanes, students? Remember, alkanes are the hydrocarbons in which all the bonds are single bonds. Means alkanes are the compounds which containing carbon-carbon as well as carbon-hydrogen single bonds, or single bonded hydrocarbons are alkanes. Hydrocarbons which contain a single bond, it is an example for alkanes. Students, remember one more thing, the general formula of the alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. Yes, here N it is the number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. See this example here, carbon carbon. Between the carbon carbon atoms there is a single bond, right? And between the carbon and hydrogen there is also a single bond. If you observe this carbon hydrogen bond, it is also a single bond. As when we observe the compound structure, if it contains the single bond only, then it is an example for alkane, and it satisfied the formula CnH2n plus 2. Next, what are alkenes? Alkenes are the hydrocarbons that contain a carbon-carbon double bond. Remember, very important definition point. What are alkenes, students? These are the hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon double bond. As in presence of alkanes, carbon-carbon single bond is present, but in presence of alkene, between the carbon atoms there is a double bond. What are alkenes? Alkenes are the hydrocarbons that contain carbon-carbon double bond. As the general formula of alkenes is CnH2n. Here n, it is the number of carbon atoms in a substance or compound. As for example, ethene, propene, butene. These are some examples for alkenes. See this example. Here one structure is given. Here two carbon atoms are present, right? Between the carbon atom there is a double bond. If the substance contains double bond, then it is an example for alkene, right? S. Next, what are alkynes? Alkynes are the hydrocarbons that contain carbon-carbon triple bond. As students remember, in presence of alkanes there is a single bond between carbon-carbon atom, and in alkenes there is a double bond between carbon-carbon atom. And now the alkynes, they contain carbon-carbon triple bond. Between the two carbon atoms there is a triple bond. Yes, what are alkynes? Alkynes are the hydrocarbons that contain carbon-carbon triple bond. When we observe the hydrocarbon, if there is a triple bond present between two carbon atoms, right, then definitely it is an example for alkyne. Yes, the general formula of alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. Right. Yes, the first example for alkyne is ethyne, next propyne, butane, pentane, etc. Students, I think you know. Now you know what are alkanes, what are alkenes, and what are alkynes and their general formula. Right. Okay students, in the next video we will study about the aromatic hydrocarbons. Thank you.